Within the vast canvas of storytelling, voice stands not simply as a thread, but as the foundation upon which narratives are intricately woven. It surpasses the mere compilation of words, infusing stories with rhythm, tone, and perspective that offer them life. This unseen conduit connects storytellers to their audience, allowing stories to deeply resonate. Voice is essential for its unique essence, lending distinctness to each tale and engaging listeners, drawing them into a whirlpool of emotions. As we embark on this intricate exploration, we aim to understand the narrative voice, highlighting its crucial role in storytelling and its power to transform plain text into unforgettable experiences. Navigating through the annals of time, storytelling has evolved significantly, from oral traditions to the digital age, highlighting the transformative power of narrative voice. This evolution, mirroring changes in culture and society, showcases not only the method of storytelling, but also how stories are perceived and retained. Through historical lens, we see storytelling's role in forging human connections, evolving from ancient epics to modern novels. Each era's distinctive narrative voices, from the authoritative to the introspective, reflect the societal heartbeat of their times, offering insights into the human condition. By embracing these diverse voices, storytellers forge deeper connections with audiences, employing unique styles to make stories resonate across time. This journey through narrative voices not only defines our storytelling legacy, but also guides us in finding our unique voice, ensuring our tales stand out in the vast ocean of narratives. Having traversed the essence and evolution of narrative voice, we now explore crafting your unique voice. This journey is a quest for both discovery and creation, urging storytellers to delve deep into their message, audience, and self. Envision your voice as a lighthouse, guiding your stories to connect meaningfully with audiences. Developing this voice requires practice, patience, and creativity. Listen intently to the diversity within your own work and the world around you, embracing and refining emerging themes and styles. A distinct voice transcends the confines of your stories. It's the soul that fosters connections, ignites emotions, and secures your place in the storytelling realm. To cultivate it, experiment with perspectives, tones, and embrace constructive feedback. Your unique voice is not just a tool, but your signature, making your narratives unforgettable. It represents the limitless potential of your storytelling journey, inviting you to write with confidence and explore new heights in the art of narrative.